How to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on YouTube, you will click on settings. And first you can go to the window of apps, and you can click on YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. So in the end you can go to Play Store, you can go to YouTube or to Play Store. If you find updates, then you can click to update your app of YouTube. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.